Okay, so today we're going to be working with supplemental angles, vertical angles, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, consecutive angles, and corresponding angles. So you have the picture of each example, and those are what we're going to be working with today. So for example 1, given angle 1 is 105 degrees, angle 1 is 105 degrees, what is angle 8? So we're looking for angle 8. We know that angle 1 is 105 degrees. So this angle right here is 105 degrees. And we're looking for angle 8. So do we see how we're using this angle and this angle? So we know they're outside, okay? So we're going to use exterior. And exterior alternate angles means same angle. So if angle 1 is 105, what's angle 8? Very good. It's 105 degrees. So angle 8 is 105 degrees. So to the second example, example 2, given C is 35 degrees, what is F? So we know that C is 35 degrees, 35 degrees. What is F? We're looking for F. So we know we have this angle and this angle. What rule would we use? We know they're both on the inside. So what rule would I use? Very good. I'd use alternate interior angles, knowing that this angle is the same as this angle and they're on the opposite side of the transversal. So if C is 35 degrees, what's F? Very good. F is 35 degrees. Very good, very good. Okay, so example 3. Given angle 5 is 97 degrees, so angle 5 is 97 degrees. What is angle 8? What is angle 8? This is the one I'm looking for. So I have 5 and I have 8. What do we know about these two angles? What rule will I use? Okay, what rule will I use? Very good. We're going to use the vertical angle rule, which says if you have this angle and it's on the it's right in front of this angle, they're the same. So if angle 5 is 97, what's angle 8? What is angle 8? 97 degrees. Angle 8 is 97 degrees. Very good. So example 4. Given C is 82 degrees, so we know this one is 82 degrees. And we're looking for what is D. We're looking for this one. Okay, so we have two angles that are right next to each other. What do we know about these two angles? What rule are we going to use about those two angles? What rule will I use? Very good. We're going to use the supplemental angle rule. Those are the ones right next to each other. So we know angle C plus angle D equals 180. Okay. So to find angle D, what do I have to do? Add, subtract, multiply, or divide. What do I have to do? Very good. You have angle D equals 180 minus 82. So we're going to subtract. What's angle D? Very good. Angle D equals, I didn't even, 180 minus 82 equals 98 degrees. 98 degrees. That's my answer. Example 5. Given angle 1 is 42 degrees, so angle 1 is 42 degrees. What is angle 5? We're looking for angle 5. So looking at these two angles, this one and this one, don't worry about the other ones. What rule would I use? Very good. We are going to use corresponding angles. So we know this one, it says same angle. It's the same as this one. So angle 1 is the same as angle 5. So what is angle 5? Very good. Angle 5 is 42 degrees. Okay, given angle G is 100, so angle G is 100 degrees. What is angle H? What is angle H? Okay, so looking at our rules, we have angle G and angle H right next to each other. Which rule will I use? Which rule will I use? Very good. The supplementary angle rule. Supplementary angle. So we know angle G plus angle H equals what? Very good, 180 degrees. So in this case, angle H equals 180 degrees minus 100 degrees. Because we're working backwards. So what is angle H? It's going to be 80 degrees. That's my answer. Then for this example, given angle 7 is 83 degrees. So this one is 83 degrees. What is angle 6? Angle 6. So, looking at these two angles, 7 and 6, which rule will I use? Which rule will I use? Very good. We're going to use vertical angles. Vertical angles, meaning they are the same. So, angle 6 equals 83 degrees. Given angle 2 is 30 degrees, angle 2 is 30 degrees. What is angle 4? What is angle 4? So, looking at these two angles, 2 and 4, what rule will I use? What rule will I use? Very good. It's going to be supplemental angles because they're right next to each other. 2 and 4 are right next to each other, so we know angle 2 plus angle 4 equals what? 180 degrees. So we have angle 4 equals 180 minus 30 degrees. What is 180 degrees minus 30 degrees? Angle 4 equals 150 degrees. That's my answer. Oh, and that's it.